Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change to dark mode in OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in dark mode, and like not dark mode, but be in OnlyFans. And when you're here, you want to go to right top corner, and right next to the language you're gonna see dark mode, right? Click on it, and voila, your whole OnlyFans is dark. So again, be in OnlyFans, go to right top corner, and you can simply change the dark mode. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.